So this is going to be the only 1080p bit of footage on the Ventures episodes. Now, it has been quite a while since I got a new camera or upgraded the video editing software, and with the advent of 4K become more and more present in our lives, it is probably about time to actually get something that can record in 4K. Now, going through Amazon, you see all sorts of cameras, hundreds of cameras, thousands of cameras, etc. And I seen one, and it stuck out for uniquity's sake. A very unique type camera. Now, all these film producers who are watching will probably agree with me. There's been a massive absence of mic input on video cameras these days, so yeah, this camera actually did have it. It's not the dearest, and it certainly isn't the cheapest camera on Amazon. It might be closer, to a kind of cheaper end of scale by looking at it, but this feature, the other feature be remote camera operation, certainly is very, very unique, and for a camera it was barely even £90. To have that in your arsenal is absolutely fantastic. I'm going to hopefully there's the remote. Are two other little treats to behold as well. Right. There's your external mic. That's the camera itself. Looks sturdy, very nice. It has one battery in there, but also there's something down there. That's the extra battery pack, which is probably not well seen there. You can see it now. You have got a wireless mic headset which works, albeit it's a bit loud and can distort if not in the right position. And it charges up with a USB-C cable here. Absolutely fantastic. So, general summary, absolutely great. And before I go any further, the camera actually comes with a 64GB card. So there we go, and you'll never run out of battery power because you've got that second battery which I mentioned. I have been playing about with it, to be honest, to get myself around the features of the camera. Quite a straightforward camera to operate. Also, when you download the footage into your drive, you don't need anything specific to open it. You can open it in media player or any form of editor. There's no need for additional software, so that's pretty damn good. Better head. Once upon a time, somebody said in quotations, "You're mental," and repeated it 3 other times. I must be mental for this episode of Ventures because we're going down to Cydebank to get the number 60 and take it all the way through to its end stop in Easterhouse. It's going to be at least an hour and 3/4, maybe 2 hours. So, yep, this is our train being announced now. So, yeah, I would like to invite you all in for the journey. And like a previous Ventures video, we actually have to pass through the shopping centre to get some food and other rations. bear in mind this journey is going to be 2 hours, so we need to have something that could keep a wee fill in with, you know. I'm accompanied by my mate as well. I'm going to ask him what he's wanting, you know, with regards to if he wants to be on camera or anything.
You think it can be recycled?
Yeah. So we've got a little bit of festive recording playing in the background. Now, number 60 bus does have a reasonable regularity behind it, but I don't have access to a timetable, or I didn't priorly research when the 60 departs Cydebank, so that's a other interesting perspective of it's another interesting perspective of the journey, how long we're going to wait. The 60 is famous for unusually long waits. What we're zooming into is that purple and white bus. That's the number 60. It's going to be taking us for a 2-hour journey up to Easterhouse. 2 hours and that. Wow. I must be mental somehow. There's the number 60 Easterhouse timetable. It's Saturday. It's not focusing that great because of the condensation, but it's saying after 10:57 in the morning it goes to 27 and 57 minutes past every hour. The journey's going to be 2 hours. So, yep, bang on 2 hours. Let's see how my sanity is by the time at the end of this journey. That's our bus arriving.
I'll get some children, is that right?
This starts our 2-hour journey on the number 60 to Easterhouse. Oh my, what I do with a Saturday. My intention is to record and edit this episode in 4K. And after Drumchapel, we're now going through Bears Den.
So you go up there on a bike one.
Alright. How did you get on?
A tire when you get in the car.
A Burger King cup sitting right outside Greg's the Baker because it loves to be controversial and you can't tell people where to go these days. Thug life. Buying a crate of Monster energy juice and playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, being awake for 32 hours, having a blast and getting plenty of excuse to practice your quick scopes. Thug life. So this is 1 hour 30 minutes into the 2-hour journey on the 60. To be honest, it's going quite good, it's quite quiet. The time really has passed away quite nicely, and it was good that a friend had came across with me on the bus. So yeah, we'll give you a further update when we're off the bus. I'm not too sure if it's running to schedule or if it's running maybe a wee minute or two late, who knows, but we'll find that one out. A delivery agent sitting on top of a disabled parking bay for Burger King. Aye.
How are we going to do for?
The one's a longer distance one, isn't it? Hi, we're actually here at the terminus. We've gotten off the bus. It was meant to be a 2-hour journey from Cydebank up to Easterhouse, but I don't know, it ran to 2 hours 33. So I don't know what to say about that one. If I was pushed for time, then that would be a problem, but ultimately the journey itself was very quiet. It was quite nice, it was warm inside, and there was not any trouble, anything to worry about, anything to note. It was quite good. Though saying that, it's a journey I would not ever do again, and if I need to get up to Easterhouse from where I stay, I'd probably get a train. Now, we've got a new camera, we've got new video editing software, and we're hoping to have us out on 4K. So yeah, I'm eager to see how that pans out. I just want to say the December episode will be up in roughly about 18th of December, and until then, stay chill, stay safe, like and subscribe, do all of that good stuff, and until then, catches.